So I was in the middle of checking this model, but let me show you something. So be aware of buying those remote controls online, and here's why. Look, so we have the motor here, it's on. The remote makes sound. They are both the same year. Both both remotes are, let me show you, 2009 Mattel. See there, Mattel. Both are the same, but they have different radio signal. So I'm not gonna cut the video. So one single shot, so I can prove it to you, just to make sure you are getting. Look at this. It's running. So my point is, if you be aware, if you're buying a remote control online, sometimes it will not fit your radio frequency for your model engine. I don't know if the other trains are the same, but just a heads up for you guys. Well, this came with no rubber tires. See, what I'm doing is I'm trying to fix some remote control. Hold on, let me show you. So I grabbed this bag full of remote control Thomas, and I'm trying to fix. Test. Rocky the Crane. This model is a Hit Toy Company 2006, and we need to do some fix and repair. Let me show you. See that battery corrosion? Let's begin. All the screws are out. I'm talking about the back car where the battery is located. Now this, oh, okay. Look at that. Ripped wire. So we need to actually, yeah, I need to clean this thing and remove this battery. Oh, it's too much. I'm gonna put a spring battery terminal on it. So the front part also needs to remove the all the screws, and let me tell you, this it's glued, so you need to work your way out to get it there. This last one part, and there's another drop of glue around this spot, so be very careful, don't break it. See, there is the glue, and there is the other glue apart, so don't worry about the breaking that little piece of stud. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna run wire from, I'm gonna solder it from here to the back car. And before that, let me show you, if you never knew about this feature, yeah, it was the year 2010 when I was trying to fix, 2011 was actually, I was trying to fix one of these, and then I accidentally discovered that these are the legs of Rocky. Now listen, what I'm going to use is one of these sort of grinder bits. This works better than the drill bit. Yeah, that's too much. I also need to wash these pieces. A little dirty. Alright, the only easiest way to put a battery terminal is a spring battery terminal, and we need to drill a hole right here. I'm running 3 volts to this. Oh, it works. It's working. Excellent. So the next step is just to rewire. Now for the next wire, I'm going to, yeah, pretty much like that. We are done soldering the wires. Testing. Working. Excelente. The other way. Working good. We need to continue with a test. Just make sure it works. Yes, it's working. This is the last screw, and I think we are done with Rocky. Let me clean the area. Perfect. Neville, this Neville Mattel 2009 requires new battery terminal, and this is going to be a quick fix repair. Well, that's what I think. I don't know yet if this can be fixed, but I'm pretty sure we can swap the motor if that's the case. And I think this is the case. Look, this motor is stuck. Okay, loose now, but I don't know about this. I am trying, but not lucky at all. Completely dead. See that? That's a lot of internal damage. Too much. I don't know if this is glue or something else. Fix it. I found a spare motor, and now we need to solder. Sounds good.